Are you tired of sniffles, sneezes, and itchy eyes controlling your life? Do you dread the arrival of allergy season? Millions of people suffer from allergies, but many are seeking natural ways to find relief. Meet Cheng, a renowned expert in traditional Chinese medicine, who is passionate about sharing the power of ancient remedies for modern ailments. With a deep understanding of herbs, acupuncture, and other TCM practices, Nina has helped countless individuals overcome their allergy struggles. Nina's expertise has gained her a loyal following on social media, where she shares her wisdom and practical tips for incorporating TCM into everyday life. Her gentle approach and clear explanations make TCM accessible to everyone, regardless of their prior knowledge. Nina believes that true healing comes from addressing the root cause of an issue, not just masking the symptoms. In this essay, we will delve into the world of TCM and explore how it can provide natural and effective relief from allergies. Nina's insights will guide us as we uncover the principles behind this ancient practice and discover specific remedies that can transform your allergy experience. Get ready to unlock the secrets of TCM and embark on a journey to lasting allergy relief. Traditional Chinese medicine, often abbreviated as TCM, is a holistic healing system that has been practiced for over 2,500 years. It is deeply rooted in the ancient philosophies and traditions of China. Originating in ancient China, TCM views the body as an interconnected system, where energy, known as qi, flows along specific pathways called meridians. These meridians form a complex network that links various organs and tissues, ensuring the smooth flow of energy throughout the body. Health is maintained when qi flows freely, much like a river that nourishes the land. Illness arises when there is an imbalance or blockage in this flow, akin to a dam obstructing the river's path. TCM practitioners like Cheng believe in treating the whole person, not just the symptoms. They emphasize the importance of understanding the patient's lifestyle, emotional state, and environmental influences. They consider a patient's physical, emotional, and environmental factors when diagnosing and treating illness. This comprehensive approach ensures that the root cause of the ailment is addressed rather than just the superficial symptoms. Rather than simply suppressing symptoms, TCM aims to restore balance and harmony within the body, promoting long-term health and well-being. This philosophy is reflected in the various treatment modalities used in TCM. TCM encompasses a wide range of modalities, including herbal medicine, acupuncture, acupressure, dietary therapy, and lifestyle modifications. Each of these methods works synergistically to enhance the body's natural healing processes. Herbal medicine, a cornerstone of TCM, utilizes the potent properties of plants, roots, and minerals to create customized formulas that address specific imbalances. These formulas are tailored to the individual's unique constitution and health needs. Acupuncture, another key component, involves inserting thin needles into specific points along the meridians to stimulate qi flow and restore balance. This technique has been shown to be effective in alleviating pain, reducing stress, and improving overall health. By taking a holistic approach and addressing the root cause of health concerns, TCM offers a unique and effective way to manage allergies. This method not only provides relief from symptoms, but also strengthens the body's resilience against future allergic reactions. In the following sections, we will explore how TCM specifically targets allergies and the remedies it offers for lasting relief. We will delve into the various herbs, techniques, and lifestyle changes that can help alleviate allergic symptoms and improve overall well-being. In traditional Chinese medicine, allergies are not simply viewed as an overreaction of the immune system. Instead, they are seen as a sign of an underlying imbalance within the body. TCM practitioners believe that a weakened immune system, digestive issues, and emotional stress can all contribute to the development of allergies. When the body's defenses are compromised, it becomes more susceptible to external allergens such as pollen, dust mites, and pet dander. These allergens are seen as external wind that invades the body, disrupting the flow of qi and triggering an allergic response. TCM aims to strengthen the body's natural defenses, making it less reactive to these external triggers. Furthermore, TCM recognizes the crucial role of the digestive system in overall health. A compromised digestive system can lead to an accumulation of toxins and inflammation, making the body more vulnerable to allergies. TCM practitioners often recommend dietary changes and herbal formulas to support digestive health and reduce inflammation. Emotional stress is another factor that can exacerbate allergies. Stress weakens the immune system and disrupts the delicate balance within the body, making individuals more susceptible to allergic reactions. TCM emphasizes stress management techniques such as meditation, Tai Chi, and breathing exercises to promote emotional well-being and reduce allergy symptoms. Section 4. Biyanpian, unblocking sinuses and relieving congestion. One of the most common and frustrating symptoms of allergies is nasal congestion. This can be caused by various factors, including seasonal changes, environmental pollutants, and even certain foods. The stuffy, uncomfortable feeling can make it difficult to breathe, sleep, and concentrate. It can also lead to secondary issues like headaches and fatigue, further impacting daily life. Biyanpian, a traditional Chinese herbal formula, offers a natural and effective way to relieve nasal congestion and restore clear breathing. This remedy has been used for centuries and is known for its ability to provide quick relief. This time-tested formula works by targeting the root cause of congestion, which TCM practitioners often attribute to an invasion of wind cold or wind heat into the body. Understanding these underlying causes is crucial for effective treatment. Wind-cold congestion is characterized by a runny nose with clear mucus, chills, and a feeling of heaviness in the head. This type of congestion often occurs during colder months or sudden weather changes. Wind-heat congestion, on the other hand, presents with a stuffy nose with thick yellow mucus, headache, and a sore throat. This type is more common during warmer seasons or when exposed to heat and humidity. Biyanpian contains a blend of carefully selected herbs that work synergistically to address both types of congestion. Each herb in the formula has a specific role, enhancing the overall effectiveness. For example, Xinyihua, or magnolia flower bud, is a key ingredient known for its ability to open the nasal passages and expel mucus. This herb is particularly effective in clearing nasal blockages. It has a drying effect on the sinuses, making it particularly beneficial for wind-cold congestion. This helps to reduce the production of excess mucus and alleviate symptoms. Another important herb is Congestion or xanthium fruit, which has anti-inflammatory and anti-allergic properties. This herb is essential for reducing inflammation and preventing allergic reactions. It helps to reduce swelling in the nasal passages and relieve itching. This makes breathing easier and more comfortable. Biyanpian is typically taken orally in capsule or tablet form. This makes it convenient for daily use and easy to incorporate into your routine. The dosage and duration of treatment may vary depending on the individual's specific needs and the severity of their symptoms. It's important to follow the recommended guidelines for optimal results. It is important to consult with a qualified TCM practitioner to determine the appropriate dosage and treatment plan for you. They can provide personalized advice and ensure that the treatment is safe and effective for your condition. Section 5. Peimingan, strengthening the lungs and reducing allergic reactions. In traditional Chinese medicine, the lungs play a vital role in immunity and are considered the tender organ most susceptible to external pathogens, including allergens. The lungs are responsible for the intake of air and the distribution of qi, the vital life force, throughout the body. When the lungs are weak, the body becomes more vulnerable to allergic reactions. This can manifest in various ways, such as sneezing, coughing, and difficulty breathing, especially when exposed to allergens like pollen, dust, or pet dander. Peimingan, another renowned Chinese herbal formula, is specifically designed to strengthen the lungs and reduce allergic responses. This formula has been used for centuries to help individuals manage their respiratory health and improve their overall well-being. Peimingan works by addressing the underlying imbalances that contribute to allergies, such as lung weakness, qi deficiency, and dampness accumulation. By targeting these root causes, The formula helps to restore balance and harmony within the body. Lung weakness can manifest as shortness of breath, wheezing, and a weakened immune system. These symptoms can significantly impact one's quality of life, making it essential to address them promptly and effectively. Qi deficiency can lead to fatigue, low energy levels, and a susceptibility to colds and flus. When the body's qi is depleted, it becomes more challenging to fend off illnesses and maintain optimal health. Dampness accumulation can contribute to congestion, phlegm production, and digestive issues. This excess dampness can create a breeding ground for pathogens, further compromising the body's defenses. The herbs in Peimingan work together to tonify the lungs, boost qi, and resolve dampness. Each herb is carefully selected for its unique properties and synergistic effects, ensuring a comprehensive approach to respiratory health. For instance, Huang Qi, or astragalus root, is a powerful adaptogen that strengthens the lungs, enhances immune function, and increases energy levels. It is known for its ability to support the body's natural defenses and promote overall vitality. Lingji, or reishi mushroom, is another key ingredient known for its ability to regulate the immune system, reduce inflammation, and promote respiratory health. This mushroom has been revered for its medicinal properties and is often used to support long-term health and wellness. It has a calming effect on the body and can help to reduce stress-induced allergic reactions. By promoting relaxation and reducing stress, Lingzi helps to create a more balanced and resilient immune system. Peimingan is typically taken orally in capsule or tablet form. This convenient method of administration ensures that the beneficial properties of the herbs are easily absorbed by the body. As with any herbal formula, it is essential to consult with a qualified TCM practitioner to determine the appropriate dosage and treatment plan based on your individual needs. A personalized approach ensures the best possible outcomes and supports your journey to better health.